So students, good evening, especially my students of second semester Silchar Medical College first MBBS students. This is not an academic regular video. This is it's my own interest to upload it, and few students from AMC or second semester AMC, they have also requested some videos. So one thing is that this should have been in a assemble box, okay, and you know, in our department it is very difficult to get the things, but somehow I stole all these things. Not stole, actually I returned. This bottle is N by 10 HCl containing bottle. So now you know what this assemble is. This is for hemoglobin estimation by acid hematine method. Okay, this is in a box. That box name is a hemoglobinometer box, and inside that box one thing is N by 10 HCl, and one is this is a tube. Okay, so two different type of markings are there. Okay, so here one marking is from below upward, and okay, both side the markings are from below upward, but one is here, it is in percent, and one in, that means gram percent, in between of these two scale it is in a gram percent. That is, in one side hemoglobin will be determined by gram per deciliter, and in one side you can say gram percent also. So this is hemometer tube. So some of the students always do mistakes between a tube and a pipette. A pipette, when both ends are open, that is a pipette, culvert, and when one end is closed, that is a tube. Just for example, test tube. So this is a small test tube, and this test tube has a name. It is the hemometer tube. Okay, so by seeing the grams from say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, and say 10, 20, 30, 40 in percent, you should have recognized that this is a hemometer tube. One same thing is there, Winthrop's tube, but what is the difference between Winthrop's tube and the hemoglobinometer, this tube, is that in Winthrop's tube the hole, okay, say if you consider that is also a tube, the diameter of the tube is very small, okay, and you have to pour blood in the Winthrop's tube with the help of a passive pipette. You know, passive pipette, just a 0.5 millimeter diameter, that hole. From below you have to put upward. But in your last online practical assessment, only one student, whatever copy I have checked, about 60 copies I checked, only one student could answer the use of the Winthrop's tube. One is ESR, erythrocyte sedimentation rate estimation, and second, that is my dear, that is the main purpose, PCV, packed cell volume. Only one student wrote that, packed cell volume. So those points are like mathematics, it will give you solid mark. If you miss 0, if you write it correctly, you will get to 0 or 2. Okay, so this is the hemometer tube, and this is a pipette. Okay, if I all these things aside, if I give this pipette, I have seen many students, they will directly call, sir, this is an WBC pipette. Okay, but this cannot be WBC pipette, is not it? WBC pipette The characteristics of WBC pipettes are, there is a bulb, okay, inside the bulb there is a bead, and markings are 0, 0.5 and 1. The markings are different in the WBC pipette, but here it is written 20 microliter. So, I will try to show it. Here it is written, I do not know, 20 microliter. In the front of light I want to 20 microliter it is written. So, when there is written 20 microliter, so that means this blood you have to take 20 microliter, and where you have to take 20 microliter blood, only doing hemoglobin estimation by acid hematine method. Okay. So, during that you have to remember few points. You have to suck blood up to the point by dipping this tip, that means so that no gap remains in the column of blood. Number 2, you have to, if excess blood you have taken, you have to gently tap over a hard surface. If you put a cotton piece, only water will be soaked. Always remember that those questions are asked. Okay. So, first question is that why this is an hemoglobinometer pipette. You should know the points. Okay. Only these 3 points you should know, that why this is an hemoglobinometer tube, you should know that, and why not it is an Wintrom's tube. Okay. And this contain NVite and HCl, and two things is missing. One is the comparator box, okay, and the strier. Suppose and I advise you, when you come to, that is a offline practical examination, say you are getting this WBC pipette, don't rely on the 4th grade. This is a this wearing, household wearing wear, okay, just I have cut and I have taken only one piece of copper wire. Okay. So, all the tubes I have seen are clogged by clotting of blood, because our 4th grade who do not have lab technician, our 4th grade people, they are very reluctant to clean it. So, what you can do, you can remove this part, okay, and you can make it straight, and you can